So my people, me have some things that I go share with Uno because them dig up and find ice cold your brother. We are we are body man, my people. You see me I say, so the lion man have a video and I go share it with Uno where I expose him, Blamdem also expose him. Also, seeing we have Ivany, I talk about she and her ex Owie, you know what I mean, about some married business. Cause I see it on the internet, I float around say Ivany and Owie did married. Me want to know where them find time for married when that the relationship was so toxic. But we are going to hear from Ivany because she have a lot to say, so we are going to listen. We also have Blamdem and Top Banks, my people. See, Blamdem a troll Top Banks cause them don't know what Top Banks do with the Benz, my people. It look like say them take it back from him or him a idea or something. Seeing we're gonna hear what go on with that. And as we go on, my people, maybe we add other things to the video. So we could kick it off, you know.
Alright then. And I just dig up in mama blood clot. No teeth Jackie she no come bow me. With fear teeth them from sucking kartel back balls them now. Cause me say back then when kartel did young kartel balls heavy you know. And she didn't know if the goggle balls good. Cause every time she suck the balls them lick her. You come like them lick her teeth buff it out. When she feel some the ball because this are the balls you know. This are the hood you know. And it man problem, you left from Jamaica can't go foreign. And you left foreign can't back go blood clot Jamaica foreign now accept me back in a 16 balloon. Man I come from a blood clot screen. Man blood clot lem. All on up on my foreign picture for come down, right? I'm gonna take it down well on. Okay. All on up come down. Me on the blood clot. You must feel this a joke.
Blood clotting.
Woman problem, money problem.
This blood clot, yo, just let your easier man.
Woman problem, money blood clot problem.
Hey.
Eh?
Remember me blood clot tell you that. Cause me done say my tools.
Woman problem, money problem.
Right.
Woman problem, money problem.
DJ.
Barrel problem.
Tell the people that boy you're not talking on certain topic.
Barrel problem, cash up problem, PayPal problem, Zelle problem. Every blood clot there, barrel of a pop for you. Zelle cash up. People them tired of you come down. Alright. Let my blood clot see now. Now this a girl now have all sort of blood clot problem. Yeah? Money problem, man problem. Come down. Man problem, pussy problem, rent problem, deportation problem, blood clot family problem, family and sister problem, friend problem, body problem, breast problem, all sort of blood clot problem, rent problem, drama problem, bumbo clot, go back on my arm, Atlanta problem, all sort of blood clot problem. Head phone problem, the 700 blood clot problem, near me fucky chicken low back problem, and at the list goes on. I don't have the time to do it for the whole night, but all of them have blood clot problem on the internet. And it's like, if TikTok go ahead, it's like, pussy then can't vanish, you know. Me say, we all them begging chunk, then fine. Me say, them come over favorite, come crush the blood clot. From TikTok gone and then come over favorite. It's like favorite, just not favorite in the morning. You know? Me not even want to talk about that the donkey, because he might cause film at all this.
What blood clot they are called? Herbal.
This I wanna have. Boy, no. Me not talk about Urban a blood clot. Urban said she go call ice for me, you know. So we have to leave Urban alone. You see, anybody that says they're gonna call immigrant, whoops, whoops. What Spice said, whoops. Anybody that said they're going to call immigration, ICE, DHS, you got to walk by your big toe up on the straightest line. Seriously, Urban, no, it's alright, it's okay, Urban. Yeah, good blood clot, yeah, no pussy test. 16 balloon can never compete with a girl like, yeah, I see this, you know. Yeah, Jamaican book, you have American book, I have Canadian book. I 2 book alone, she blood clot. So you still away. You have 3 book, yeah, you never get have 2 book, you have 3 book, but now I've done. So me have to stay up on the low. Urban said she gonna call ice on me, so I can't speak on her. Right now, I put out my own restraining order against her. I'm not supposed to talk about her nor call her name. Me leave her alone. 16 balloon now. She had too much problem. She not worry about call ice. Where is the video that I see today? Can somebody send it to me where she was talking about Paris? Send that video to me right now on my TikTok. You don't know where it is?
Look at this chicken up here on TikTok. The conscious people. Eh? Right, you look at the color of coloring book to blood clot and you can't tell thing out. Ivany, we appear young boys, so speak to the Alessio. Let's go all. Bring appear young boys before bring us to the table. Bring us come back and time you change the nut for blood clot car. Eh, look for Rather talk like him take 10, 100 put in a batty hole. You know say you have fish, you have pretti, you have doctor fish.
It look like Bubbles go to web. So Bubbles insert herself out. Bubbles has problem. Bumbleclad. I saw Bubbles scratch me. God bless clear of it. No, I can't play that out right here because I'm my bestie.
Alright, my people. You see, sometimes you see what feels good to you, sometimes it's not good for you. You see what I say? Alright, to the man them and also to the woman them, pick up somebody who love you, not who you love. You see what I say? Because not for the time you love them for one reason, but them love you for another reason. You see me? Almost everybody on TikTok I look money. So when you see anybody turn a couple on TikTok, not for the time and more money them I look. Some of the time them date the people them who have money. See, me just say that for say this, people. I've been talking about like barbz, seeing when him in the situation with the woman, with the big woman where you say send him money and give her money. Right? Me say, you see that situation here where him in and the bring down where him get, we are going to see who are going to stay around him after him get fade out on TikTok. No whole heap of money now make and them something there. Seeing me also say how him always a post him girl and him girl never ever, not even once, not even for him birthday, put him up on our TikTok or our Instagram. Me I say something wrong this so. See Ivany come say he will have money problem and woman problem. So if him did stay with a big woman, he would have more than alright, you know. But him go for somebody who him love. You see me, and he look like say boy she never really love him. So make we watch some more with people, although we're not going to hear nothing more about here, but still make we watch some more here with Ivany and go out with.
I can't be that. Sir, I said she done me for sure. Jesus. Wait them for beat our clock. Right now. She can't play them. I don't make them again. Yes! See it ya, guys. Time and place for everything, man. Tell us that.
I want you to first, but dedicate that one to parties.
Urban, move your dirty, bingy, big belly, blood clot, seco, and belly calf looking self and go. Whoever pay them to take care of a girl. We have 2 pitney, 2 blood clot pitney to take care of. I said today when I look on the video, I say, oh God, I not tell like that. serious time. So when I listen to video, me I say God have a beating for cake and cake have a voice for preach, and all she do is preach and thank them and him bars them. God have go have a beating face girl. But when me really listen the video, oh God, me say touch me up, me said, yeah, I want to come and me, yeah, same time I start think about ice, and me I say, no man, if you leave her and tap. Listen what she say. No man, me feel it for true, I feel it to them. So the same about that thing I'm putting at Kingston. Listen, all the woman have a vice for be a gospel girl, for be a pastor, where you preach the word of the Lord. Just listen her and listen. I see some people in the comments, oh no, move on dirty blood clot and less 16 balloon, cause some of you have pitney and the pitney yet to know. Let me tell you something, girl. You see most of you that have kids and the pitney I walk before him one, it's not an accomplishment. I run the pitney, I run from you. If me say pitney start walk before blood clot time, and you talking about, oh, it's an accomplishment, and all the baby is walking and the baby I run all left for you. Pitney start walk before time, cause I want go and I want running tired of some on the blood clot. The pitney tired I now on the home from 9 months. As in born, you ready to took the blood clot road, packing bag and leave. You give him a little handbag, you want to pan it tight in a little, but take up all the ties and put in it and you chop the guard left for no. That's why ice don't walk it, because ice want to stay with me forever. You see? He's not ready for certain things. So when I hear see your pussy all in the comment section talking about she giving Paris all that attention, and when that little boy grow up and that little boy see that she gave Paris all that attention, that little boy is going to eat her. Go and laba juice your mother when that little boy get big and have sense and knowledge and understanding, and listen about this blood clot video where 16 balloon I said the little boy gonna love his mother even more. Cause I look up him, I look on it and say, you hear my mother say, me have a mother, me have two mother, me have a father, me have sister, brother, uncle, nephew, nieces, neighbors and friends, teachers and daycare and altar, dog and cat and rat and bat. He have all of these people who stick by Fame side, while Fame sister now have nothing. Fame mother can't pretend to be Fame sister mama. Fame father can't pretend to be fair father. He can't force Fame sister, uncle, mother, neighbor and all of these people to go call blood clot Paris like how them would have called upon him and check up on him. So when him grow big and he see them things, you know, him have understanding and say him have it all and his sister not have it all. So nothing did the mother did the film. And on the dirty girl them in the comment section, it's like they don't listen no way girl, so then just skip over where the woman say and listen what them want. So that's why I'm telling you, say it's always woman tear down blood clot woman, and it's always Jamaica. No, so me hear the woman talk today. Tears come at me, just listen to the video. The woman talk her scripture. The woman don't even cuss a bad word. The woman don't even cuss a bad word. And when me don't know, all the people them in the comment section sit down and laugh about this. They don't know if you laugh about a serious something. It's when me then in my bed today and me and listen it, me say me not tell no lie. As father got strike me not strike me because I don't say strike nobody. But as father got strike me turn up here, so me say tears come on me eye today. Cause so when she talk, me don't know for some reason my mind just start run on ice. And so many things start go through my mind, and I say, Father God, just please make sure when I go back and me and can go back for the ice. I don't know why this thoughts in my head. I wonder if the last time when I see ice, when my video call me, if that's gonna be the last time. I don't know, I just be a thing start run through my mind. I wonder if I go see him, but no, what gonna be the last, you know. And I tell you, I start crying by watching the video, you know. I may say John was starting to see people them in the comment section that talk about say when the son grew up, the son will go eat her and whatever. Let me tell you something, everything, let me tell you something between me and you. Yes, when she said she had work through it. Wait, let me go for this. Listen, it touched me today. You hear me tell? It touched me and it's a sad thing. But look, no.
Hey, one thing me I go tell you still, you know, people. You see K, and that you the name then, K love him till she don't know herself. Me I tell her no matter what him do, she not left him. It's just like a Queenie and Dewey situation. But at the end of the day, me feel like say, if any left him go on, him I feel left her. You see me I say? So it look like say she did skeptic about taking him to America. But after she sees a boy, him still at the way him do, and she can't really control him. She maybe thinks, yo, you know what I mean? Me I just settle with him because at this man I love, cause she try left him and it don't work out. So you see say boy, him have a hold on her. You know what I mean? And you just have to make a woman do what she do. Because who she love. Man do it too. Man love woman till them fool. You see me? So we just have to just make she love who she love. You see me? And quit the judging and stop judge people because we don't know where our future hold. Right? So woman cannot bash her right now and later on in her life then pick up a man like him same way and him do and that the man they do them worse than where this man I do. She make me know what I think we are what some more.
No, sometimes I have to make a look. No, I comment now. I don't think you black or black cloth out of my comment section. Black or. But look, that was a very touching video today and I felt that video. But I want to ask you guys one question. Because for me never cuss her so she mind man yet, you know. Dirty girl, who flip script? Are you flip script? Go ahead. Ha ha ha, so what? Me never cuss her say she mind man, you know. Me just always say she love man and she have man problem. But what I want to ask you guys that you say you don't have knowledge. Who forgot sleep? Are you forgot sleep? When you say I have knowledge, I want to ask you guys something. I want to ask you guys a real question. Because me I wonder if I be a young people follow me and then just giddy and fool. Now, what you call mind man? Because me no look on it or no look on it, you know. Because mind man for me, I buy man car and house, and buy man bare shoes and clothes and the things them, and me never blood clot do that in a life yet. At least me do them, I buy them look of food, put gas in your vehicle if you go somewhere. And if me I go somewhere and me invite you, I would look on you for buy the ticket. No, me would have to buy the ticket. So eventually you'd have to come for my flight. So me not understand what I mean by my man. Me go down in the details. If me and my man there and him say, we plan to go on a date. We go some we go on a date and we go on a date, him always pay feet. Right? Because we don't have no way cost 5 bills and 4 bills and 1,000. That's me to look at one food that eat that. Me never go on a bill where past 4 bills yet when me and such people go. And if me go out now and one night now it so happen that we get the bill and me feel like I want to put 50 and you put 50. Am I man that? Am I man that? If me no drive, I me always tell my man say, come pick me up. And him not tell me no. We not talk about the one where charge me much time for come for me. This is one area that will never tell me no. Him not say no, him not come. Him always come no matter what hours, no matter what time, any which part of the world that you will drive come for me. If me get up one day and say, I will fill your tongue for you, am I man that? Am I blood clot man that? If me there, make my know, my man them me take no rich, you know. Them are no billionaire, them no rich. Them look 95. Majority of man them when me take me make more than them, honestly. Me make more than them. Them me not for them normal little job while me get it free, me still make more than them. So if it happen that me find a little man who can spoil me. He might not can spoil me like when spoil you and buy your car. Me not reach them the levels if you take a man if you buy me car yet. Or if you buy me land. Or if you buy me the biggest things them or whatever. But me find a little man where we come buy me 2 little rose. He will buy me 2 little panty which cost $1. He asks me little things that I never get before. Me little things that matter like buy me little chocolate, carry me on some little dinner, some little fancy places I will sit down and I will eat. Buy me little things. So if me turn around now and appreciate when the little blood clot thing when I look at 95 money buy, and me turn around and buy my blood clot earphone and I don't want to give me back. Am I the mine man? Is that mine man? So I really want to know what you Jamaicans call mine enough man. And that with honor. Some man feel like say 50-50 no agree, and that's why man run well if you no can not too giddy and greedy. And the find one look man will spend pound and who the evil buy the man one look chocolate. Knowing so the man have him money. You know so sometimes you have a rich man and the man has spent pan you and you know so your chocolate no mean nothing to him, but the man just wants to see you actually care for him and can offer him back something even though you know so that no blood clot matter to him. And that's why no found woman find the money man them and they run well if you know. They run well if you know because they have no conscience. When you sit down and expect the man them alone for those that go, the man them for buy on a car, the man for always buy on a wig, the man for always buy on a this. So you know the man rich and the man have the money, you feel like say a boy can't get your little $100. You feel like a boy can't get your little $20. You feel like a boy not supposed to get nothing at all for you because you name queen. And a union woman and the man always have to give. Sometimes when the little things matter, you can buy a man one little chocolate or one little, me don't know, buy one little perfume film or buy something. And when the man look on that and she say bumper cloth, you know, say mama knows say me rich and me don't really need it, or mama knows say me have my money or whatever, but the fact that she can really show a little appreciation. So me don't give a fuck all who wants to have me mind man. Me go mind them in a phone eye till God take me off of this blood clot earth cause so it go. And I can talk about all of the man that when I talk to. When me did I talk to Enas and they work at iClex down at Jamaica. Let me tell you something. When me talk to Enas did I work down at iClex, right? Clex down at iFlex, whatever, windows and doors. Now, when I work down there, me and him talk and me make my little promotion blood clot money, you know. That the boy there, as bad to bad, him probably not be the romantic person. So I say, boy, would I kill me with box food, dirty drunk crow? Hey, me I tell you something, I'm taking on my life and the Father God, let the shine. You see this new body, don't let none of this pussy all come near. When it two people on the blood clot, I say, burn up. Now make none of them come close. No pussy. Let me tell you something. As much as all this pussy underneath not do is a new body, this is different. No pussy enough to come here stuff if them now do nothing good for me. A boy would have full me up a box food. But to bad the boy used to give me like 5,000 them to put towards me rent. Call him and ask him. And the boy used to give me little things and I went and we used to jump on taxi and never me used to pay the fare them, the boy used to pay my fare them. And when the people them tell him if he tap a bleaching or cut him ear and him say him not tap and him left. He would do a film business that you know. And he left me look work. What me did supposed to do? Remember the boy mother tell him don't talk to me and the boy hide and talk to me and the mother find out and the boy put him, could you left him in the cold and the heat? I'm Jamaica hot you know. When he take care, with a crutch. And when a crutch or bed ground start take care, you know, look at bed ground bugs. Fuck the word that try come out. Ground bugs. Ground bugs with a blood clot take him. So me help him. My blood clot help him. Why you look all that the mind man? You ever seen come out? And then everybody knows that me love when time my birthday, you know, when it come out to birthday, friend man, anything on me that me go all out. When the blood clot boy birthday, I me take me good money. My good money and buy this boy one little shoes, and one little pants and one little belt and say the boy.
Hey, let me tell you people, you see some woman are some dirty janko. Yes, me said, them are some dirty janko. Because you are going, them no one give a man not even a hello, not even a howdy. If you give a man a hello or a howdy as a woman, you mind the man. You don't know what I mean when me say hello or howdy. Yes, so me I say, if a woman do for a man, the things them boy a man do for a woman, it look like say woman a mind man. What wrong with that? Woman want be equal nowadays. So what if woman buy man things? If woman buy a man 2 shirts and 2 shoes and 2 pants, them a mind a man. What about when man a mind woman and a buy them house, car? Yes, so me I say, make sure say them no work none at all. And from back in the days, way back in the days, man a take care of woman, you know, woman a sit down a yard and take care of the family, and the man them a go, they go put them shoulder to your wheel and a mind and take care of the whole family. Although them the time they no work like that, never they for woman still. But come on, if a woman turn around and buy a man something, nothing wrong with that. Man been doing that to woman for women over the years. So nothing wrong with Ivany or buy her man anything, and nothing definitely not wrong with K or buy her man nothing. Yes, so I say, but voice off in the comment section, let me know what you think.
About Engo, me can believe that the boy take me full suit and carry this big dirty blood clot skinny nanny Yankee tough face looking ghetto mattress blood clot magnificent cockroach looking bleach out dog shit girl named Twinkle gone down a hell shot in my blood. Yeah, me say every time I talk about it, me say my body run cold. I say me say me don't know how me love man, so me say me buy the boy the suit and the boy take the suit and can't Twinkle, you know, go up on the blood clot beach, you know. Not only that, take a picture. We remember the day in the belt and everything and take picture and post in a couple the TikTok somebody, you know. Take picture and a couple things them and post. And I say, alright then pussy all. Alright then. And I just dig up in mama blood clot. No teeth Jackie she no come bow me. With fear teeth them from sucking kartel back barbz them down. Cause me say back then when kartel did young kartel barbz heavy, you know. And she didn't know if you got the barbz good, cause every time she suck the barbz them lick her, you come like them lick her teeth buff it out. When you feel some the barbz because this are the barbz, you know, this are the hood, you know, and the 2 barbz down the so, and she barbz suck kartel barbz, and the barbz them licky blood clot teeth, and that's how our blood clot teeth get buff. And I mean it have to put blood clot braces in our blood clot teeth. I'm turn on and take it on class and bring her down flat and I die. And the boy class, me gone class, me come and the mama class, me like a them name provoke me, you know. Done. Then me go so back now. Me don't bring up that one because me the one they are friend to today, so me can't talk about him. Who else do you know about? Then me come so back now and they with that the one they know. I never blood clot. I never mind that one yet. I me buy my blood clot chicken and the boy come near my blood clot chicken and full him. Make my blood clot chicken full up in him blood clot head with him no teeth. Fake blood clot gold teeth them from down a Walmart. With your dirty gold teeth them from down a blood clot Walmart, you come and talk with you could have go on knees come marry me. You could have give me papers in America. Are you a virginines in America? You virginines? You virginines? Are you military force? No, you're not. Are you in the military force? No, you're not. So how the bomber clot you can give me? You can't give up your top boy. You could have got the only table on here when you name out my body hole. You could go on knees to come blood clot propose to me unless you buy back the chicken where your blood clot. No, me have vengeance in that. If I know me eat you for my blood clot chicken. When me step on TikTok days and night and beg and buy me all the chicken and your blood clot and you talk like you're chichi girl. Like it's a blood clot chichi girl, so you could go on knees to come marry me now that dog shit. Yeah, me go talk about that. I me never mind that boy yet. I pay for my dividends them. I pay my money and blood clot Me pay money for you pick me up and carry me go about the place. That is what I pay for you to drive me here and there and about and about. Nothing else. So me never mind you. This is one you know when me talk to regardless of anything that Keno and I went through. Regardless, if I feel like I want to give Keno $1,000 for free, that nigga supposed to get it, cause the best blood clot boy that me ever taken in my life. Tommy never serious, but I'm gonna look at G that same way. He call him right now for $1,000 and give me. If I feel like I wanted to give, and that's why I said when it's time to split justice, it's time to split justice. If me feel like me supposed to want to give Keno $1,000 or anything, that nigga supposed to get it because of the best money that me ever taken in my life. I only person that wherever in their life buy me roses. I never get roses from the day I born. Not even when me there at school, and my boy never give me all the plastic roses all the days of my life. Yeah? Keno I only nigga. Me can call and say come. I want him live 1 hour. Me can say come for me, and him come for me, and him not have to ask me for money, and him not tell me no. He not tell me say I'm busy. When him just left off of work and tired like that and come here, me can say boy I want sleep. He not tell me no. He still a come. When he not no money for buy food, the boy tell me say enough time me and him go on date, and he using look money when for use do this. Buy food and turn on later and have it. And when me and him a chat, the boy vent to me. So if I feel like somebody did want to give him blood clot $700 for come to Miami, he's supposed to get it kind of treat me good. And that the boy that treat blood clot ice good. Cause that the boy they take care of ice more than all the father take care of blood clot ice. That's why me don't want nobody tell me no, you know. Because I remember when time we did blood clot pregnant. No, don't really and truly. You don't know me very much of that. Remember when time I'm pregnant, you know, guys. We talk about this. Remember when time I'm breathing, you know.
So there you have it, my people. No propose, no marriage, no go on. You see me I say? Cause me I say, where them would have find time for married or for propose to each other, and we don't see it on the internet. You see me I say? And plus that the relationship is toxic. Them not live good for 1 hour good. As them live good for your hour, the next hour cussing, then them live good for the next hour. So we don't see no love there, so you know what I mean? It was just lust and whatever it was, but no love, no real love never did it, so you see me, although them get a youth still, but no love never did it, so you see me, maybe for a minute, but after that nothing none did it. But let me know what you think, my people. We're gonna watch some more and then we're gonna move on to the next.
Despite all what go on and the little passa and the drama, me can look by and tell you say, me put $100 and you put $100 and y'all the blood clot tell me say, you not take care of Pitney when Pitney in a belly. You only take care of Pitney when Pitney born. So me don't want a big pussy girl come under my post and come tell me about make no man see them blood clot Pitney come in and see no man did them 9 months when time me did that breed. All the fuck when time me did that breed, you could have come at me yard, you have your girl in your yard, you know. You have your girl where you so-called love at your yard. But you could have come at my yard every day. Come fuck me and suck my body and my pussy, but you still never did that give me no food. You claim to say you don't like me. You claim to say you don't want me. You claim to say you only come around me forget your Pitney. So when you did that me and suck me where that did blood clot for. The woman in your yard pump ain't good for fuck. The woman in your yard blood clot pussy suck. It look like Fimi did better. So you left she down a fair yard and you come as Fimi yard to get it. And then when me tell us I want the blood clot money now, there was no you to get the money. But all of a sudden when the Pitney ban, and you see all eyes on the Pitney, and you see oh bless the Pitney be, and you see say everybody has say one ice, and you see say me not have to buy nothing for the blood clot Pitney cause ice come with money, ice come with gifts. People naturally love ice, money. You want views and the blood clot things them, so that's how I'm tell you say Keno play a better blood clot role in my Pitney life when I go on like a joke. I don't know everything when I get up on the top about love man. My man. Kina blood clot 23-year-old and that boy never come at my yard and I bring something for my son. Which young boy don't do that? Normally them a young boy them only want fuck you and go. No young boy nowadays not pick up no girl with no pitney and no responsibility to take on and feed themselves cause all them want a smarty for mind them. According to Atlanta's man, we only say Atlanta man only want woman for mind them. The only thing Atlanta man and different young boys want is young girl to give them things and for fuck out. No young boy nowadays not take up no girl. We have them young pitney we can't even walk. We can't even say alright, watch 2 TV while me and my man go to a restaurant and come back and know say a big pitney and him good. When he come at me and he make sure say he carry things to ice feed ties, clothes. When he come at me and before me and him come a blood clot Miami, they teach ice off for walk, beard ice, clean ice shit, and the things them. And when you see people I treat man good, just because man treat them back good, on the top about say people are mine man. Me not have the blood, the boy not have the blood clot world to give me, can't buy me land and he can't buy me house. The little things them when I have can give me his matter. So I feel like I want to spoil him, but despite of me want to take in the earphone and buy back one earphone because I know him like music and something when him like me give me because him like it and him like earphone. Or I buy him anything when feel like him like off the art. On behalf of him I take care of my son and him give me the little things that might help me move around. Nothing wrong with blood clot that. But me tell you this, you see when Jamaican girl them eat you see when they eat you, them a walk and them a go talk the most things. Them a talk on your mind man like dog. Them a talk and talk about how you do this for one man and then now see where you blood clot come from. That's why I say Jamaica and uno the setup boy me man just more than what me a give man. I mean I say uno say them man blood clot man. Me say uno call it love. Me say uno call it love. Me soon call it, this is what me soon call it say, and this will like for say, man and woman take care of woman, and that me see uno say, because I want to favorite content creators them. But if I want a content creators them uno don't like, uno call it my man. Yeah, if when a rebel I show Swiftly love, uno call that love. When Fabi I show Swiftly love, uno call that love because those are no favorite content creators. And if you don't want to mix me up, you can do it fine. They are my friends and this have nothing to do with mix up. But me now put my mouth going and talk. That is called love in a phone eyes because I'm one favorite content creators. But when it comes to people like K now, maybe buy 10 something and man share my man. When it come on to ivany, buying our man back something cause our man buy her something, our man share my man. When it come on to other content creators that uno not really like her, uno not really, uno can't stand them, uno call it mine man, and uno blood clot bias. That's why I just live my life and I don't give a fuck when nobody wants about for true, you know. When Katie talk about she work, she da work and get them little money. I mean I say blood clot.
People that say about them bad mind and feed people. Boy, them bad mind on TikTok, dog. The boy Jayden fall off in can't come life. All of the waste man them. Every day they get up in the family name PP Clock Clock. PP Clock Clock. Hello, what go on more?
Where you going with?
Me there, man. Why you look so familiar like me know? Let me see you hold out the camera, let me see. Why you look so familiar? I clean a clean shit for a living.
So people, may I ask another question, right? What you call mining a man? That more I know from uno. See? Because me feel like say ivany, yeah, she give her man things, but maybe she not give him as much things as K give for her man. Yes, so me I say, and it's a difference in our people. Yes, when a woman that foreign and the man that Jamaica, that woman them more fi give the man more things. Yes, so me I say, maybe if ivany did that America and her man that Jamaica should have give the man more things. Seeing, but like how the man that America with she not gonna really give me a lot of things because guess what, me I know him a work and him a help. You see me, she in a other ways. But me can tell you say once K and the man that America, it a gonna be different. Maybe the man even take care of things when him to America and I work and them something there. You see me? So more I know what other think. Leave it in the comment section. Let me know wanna say on that.
In short, I'm good at least your hustler still.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're good though. Let me see you. Well, up before let me see you.
Yeah, man, we are. Alright,
I mean, like you girl, let me clean shit. Well, we lead up before. I lie, I tell. I look so good. You're not 36, you're too light.
Alright.
Nah, style, you look so good. You're 36, you look so good. Me nah style, you look good. I'll tell me, I tell you. You're not 36, me not believe you.
No, Jesus, I'm 36, I'm
you look so good and pretty. Yeah. So which way works? I would say today.
New York.
Man in New York. So I look at dirty girl and if you come out some man girl not even look blood clot good and come and shut off on a big stinking mouth. Because the woman look good. Some no look better than the woman dog. Dog, you know Jamaican people just dirty and stink and bad mind. Everything you know the people don't have a problem with. We can't please you know drunk. When you go near mouth on a big stinking nasty mama. Eh? What a girl do? Look how a girl look good. I'm going to lie me a blood clot tell. Go near mouth on a big stinking nasty mama. On a stick no bumbo clot. Who is on a stick no bumbo clot and shit up everywhere no go. Nastiness on a dog shit all cross might. Go near mouth on a mama and leave a girl alone. Dog shit. No stick no bumbo clot. Who is on drunk or no? Go near mouth on a mama. Oh. Me nah good on a blood clot. On a too bad mind. Me no like on a drunk. Me no like none of no. All the one me like me like. Why not come up on a bumbo clot screen? Drunk crowd. I'm gonna stick no bumbo clot. Nothing I'm going to feel like now.
Nothing I'm going to feel like.
Can I see the fire regular man, I realize.
I'm not carrying fix no bad man.
You tell the Benz?
Yeah, I'm buy one ox. No, I'm set me the rest chicken night first and then me sell it.
Yeah. That's why I tell them to me broke, you know, because I know when me broke for 2 days, they go to me fall off. People me always broke. Oh. But you say always broke for early, so in broke like flick you. I don't know new. Then you go hype like you're rich. And then when you know the money to show them. But that man say they not tell like when you say fat rider on a horse. You know, see I think that behind them.
Yeah, you know, we don't like us, bro. For the riding fat, I will leave a bar night time.
Slap, yo, that man, they're going to be honest. I don't think I like that. When I say, bro.
Dog, you know, we never cap, bro, no time.
Bro, I think I like that.
Bro, I don't tell like my fat rider and no house, bro. And
I swear to God,
I live a people bar night time.
You see, it's another like tell man, I know, man. But what are your ambition, though?
No ambition now going away, daddy. I think we are doing.
Alright then, you like that still. At least say honest, because enough of them are going like Ray and then not go to. You know what I mean? They like, you're not tell like.
Yeah,
like.
You know, just a try for your star money. We don't want no like.
All you get, you realize you're a phone share, isn't it?
No, sir. No, dog. What you know? You see, if I make a little money for TikTok, we go to book and go on a bar, dog. We not ask anybody. Me no rank, you know. Anyway, me make any money, me no go back live.
Allah, yeah, tell.
Yeah, dog. I got some me no rank, dog. My brother.
You want to see any money, you just not go back live?
No, sir. I no go back live till we want next buckle. So when they see me now is a buckle, me there, look.
Yo, people don't feel like a lie, man, I tell you. Don't feel like a lie, man. Believe him, man, bro, and a lie, man, I tell you.
Yeah, man. Facts, man.
Don't go and take him and see that. I man not tell no lie. Look for the blood clot. The man not tell no lie. Look for him like a lie, man, I tell you. Go and take a joke, man, I make a entertainment. The man not lie, man, I tell you.
We don't do entertainment, we don't cap, bro. Facts, you talk, you know.
So, somebody say people say a bar fly.
I mean, man, I must say money you use got bar, you know. So you have to have money for be bar fly, you know. You can't chip up people bar. You will go there one night and just then not just another night again.
Face round and flat down. Look,
Yeah.
look at two of them have the same face. You see it?
Humble
Shalam brother, bro, I swear to God, you know me not tell lie.
Yo.
Shalam brother that. Me not tell lie.
Me see upon some live and bring me down, dog.
Say no, but you're a batty boy, we have to bring you down too.
No, me see you play some bitch, dog, like you want to give a bitch some hype, bro.
Who that they attack?
A big pussy girl watch him on you.
Rosealee.
No, bro. A big pussy girl watch him.
Me don't know him, me don't know you attack.
The girl where you want to fuck.
Which one that? Me don't know.
The one where they have a tattoo, them, one where you sing and can boss.
Who that Candy.
No, you mad Candy boss. The next one, man. Man, you don't know the girl me when there with man, you.
No, but you have to put who don't know who that. Oh, Shalam.
The girl me when there with.
No, but me have to bring you down too, because I say you're a batty boy. Me can't.
No. Nah, me no batty boy, but they make you get a style me dog. I mean, I can't tell you say that the girl let me piss pan that the girl dog. I make that girl kneel down in front of me. I take up piss pan that dog.
Talk, make you people them here talk.
I'm not a drink me bum.
Them like come me allow she to talk. You can't
and when me a blood clot come that the girl me no come in that the girl. That's why me no breathe it dog.
Eh.
A regular me have that pan a back of that. I'm ready to come and she go kneel down and me come that dog. I want to tell you dog, a regular me and my friend them piss pan that dog. Fuck the dog. And me and my friend have talk.
Tell me not talk about that Shalam with the day with a girl. We take down Shalam piece.
Take him down. Go on, take him down.
Shalam, let me tell you this, Shalam. You worry about people's life and your life as spoiled. Shalam, you come here, you burn out everybody, everybody. But we can't believe, say, yo, you really have a batty man, brother. I'm from them send this, I can't give me, you know. I'm from them seeing past screen record of this, them. Man, I this up in from them past screen record of the people, them. Go expose him now. Shalam, your file come now. You have a batty man, brother, we live in New York. And your blood, brother, see you have a flat round face. You can't get away from this. You see me, Shalam? You have to come, Shalam. You know where you got to run, you should call Nicki Minaj name. You see where this Rosealee and left Nicki Minaj name out your mouth. Me will take you down, but you got to mention Nicki Minaj name. And that's how me they take you down. Yes, Shalam. The reason why me, Blamdem, I go right off your career, I go call Nicki Minaj name. Bro, Shalam, I'm get a bad mind, bro. Big thinking mode, Cardi B a support Jamaican. Does Cardi B ever come and send no Jamaican a lion youth? I will never hear a bit of this Cardi B yet. But Nicki Minaj will support we as Jamaican, bro, no matter who she support. And she can support everybody. She support Royal Dog. She support Brit. She support everybody where she can. Where she says she can support. And you see human support when you come here, disrespect human. Like you want the human say, alright then. You know, so we now support them Jamaican, like, every time I try to support them, they disrespect me. Like that's what you want the human say. But the human now go say so because of you. So me they have to clarify you and tell you say it's a little batty boy. Then if you come out for human name and go.
Alright people. Want to tell me what you think. See, first we are gonna talk about this Gia who say him a expose Shana Chin to Blamdem. You know, see Blamdem no really want hear what him have to say. See, yo, you see woman are the most trickified people you are gonna find on this planet. Them slick your fuck. May I tell you how woman stay. Woman will show you them best side. Forget you in a position where them want you. Everybody knows say Shana them a top freak. You see me? So when this a G come say, it don't even matter. You know what I mean? It only a go make Shana Chin get more man. Because of them sitting them on one from woman. You see me I say, Shana them a top freak. Zine, but at the end of the day, guess what Shana Chin do? Freak him out. Because after him deal with Shana Chin now, him come attack say him name whatever, you know. And now he big say him name it, you know. That mash up film reputation in a way, you know. Maybe enough girl want him, but it kinda make enough nigga look on him away. You see me I say? So Shana Chin play a mind game with him and freak him out. You see me I say? that are my opinion still. So it never cute for a man expose a woman. It make you look weak as a man. If you expose a woman, say you do this to a woman or do that to him. But it's when a woman come and expose you, you look away. You see me I say? So me just say to the G say that no cute, you know what I mean? Just allow that nobody go expose her, people are go look on your way. You see me? Make me know what to think the people.
Name out your mother, Batty boy Shalam. Alright, you have a problem with Batty man. Or whenever you contact with your Batty man brother. Your blood brother we have the same mama and same papa. Your brother we live in New York, we are big Batty man. Or you never talk about that man there. Eh? Alright, Shalam. Later me I come back to you, because I go do some work. Alright, Italian. You come on.
But someone I know everybody business.
Shalam, later me I come back to you. I can't do that tonight. But Shalam, you should call Nicki Minaj. You should just call Rosealee name alone. That's so viral. All I scream record, that's Shalam brother. And I want me go prove it too. Hold on. Me add somebody else can come see it. Yo, Binds, a Shalam brother this here. Blood brother. Yo, TJ, the Shalam brother, Shalam blood brother. A Shalam blood brother this here, in blood, in brother. Look, they have the same round face with the beard. Look, see me? A Shalam brother, I swear to God from my life. Yo. Shalam, you all you know, you fucker, you have to come down. See that, I look on the feet, a Shalam brother, me not tell no lie. Me approve. A Shalam brother people. So we are going to take down Shalam peacefully. 8 o'clock tonight, me I come back for you. I ain't going to call you wrong. Sorry, if you call my name and Rosealee name, we will take you down. But if you call Nicki Minaj name, when you support me from when, they take you down, bro. Shalam.
What's about Nicki Minaj?
They call the human name, bro. Three say human come give me, man get bad mind at this human. And that thing go do wrong. Nicki Minaj will support me, dog. Nicki Minaj a family. And he go call the human name. They have to come down.
People. Yeah, man, we come to take down Shalam today. This a Shalam brother. That boy a Shalam brother. Hold on. Improve it. Oh, improve it. She Shalam mother there. You know, she Shalam mother. She Shalam brother. So Shalam I take down people and yeah, Batman in my blood. Shalam a real Batman man.